on earth is this? Is she mysterious? Hello everyone! In today's video I will be unboxing a mystery box from Beauty Bay, and I'm so freaking excited because it's a mystery and I've never got anything from Beauty Bay like ever, so I hope it's a nice box and not something they usually don't sell, because that seems to be the trick with these mystery boxes, right? The last time I unopened one, it was ages ago and it was from eBay. You'll find that video in the description box below. But today it's all about this tiny guy from Beauty Bay. So let's jump into the video. This mystery box was 35 quid and I hope there is nice stuff inside, because usually I'm quite skeptical of these things, right? My box arrived a little bit squished, as you can see here, so I hope nothing is damaged there. I'm gonna attempt to open and see what do we have here. And maybe you've noticed I don't have anything on my face except concealer and foundation, so I'll try to make a full face of makeup with the products from this box. Fingers crossed we have something nice. So let's crack this open and see what do we have.
What mysteries of life awaits us?
Here, oh, that was very successful, was it? Let's try one more time. Oh, much better, right? So let's see. Okay, you're the first one who gets to see what do I have. Isn't this exciting? Okay, some packaging. Okay, the first thing that I see is this little Photo Beauty Obsessed, and this is a powder brush crafted with long soft fluffy bristles. Okie dokie, so let's see the mystery brush. Okay, it looks quite promising. I think it's for powder and stuff, and I love that it has like a little packaging and the Beauty Bay logo. Very nice. I'm not sure how much this was, but let's move on. The next thing that I see, oh my god, it's actually a bunch of products, like actually a lot of products, is a Beauty Bay lip gloss. Ooh, now this is what we're talking about. Okay, look at this. It's a little lip gloss and Photo Beauty Obsessed again. I hope that everything is not just from Beauty Bay, because, okay, I haven't tried anything from them, like their own brand, but like I want some variety, I want excitement, and yeah, this is alright. We'll be trying it. We have the first product for the lips, which is awesome. Next up is... What do we have? What do we have? This is very skinny. What on earth is this? An eyeshadow brush. Okay, we have the second brush. I hope we're not gonna get only brushes. And is this very cute brush, very fluffy. I like it. Next thing that I see is again a Beauty Bay thing. Okay, we have a theme here. It seems that everything is by them, but okay, it makes sense. It's a mystery box from their website, right? So this is crayon eyeliner, your makeup essentials but better liner. Define your look with our not so basic creamy eyeliner, so hours of lightweight, smooth proof wear. Okay, so this is what do we have. I like the packaging, it's very slick, a very nice design, not gonna lie. I actually love this, so hopefully is as nice as the packaging. Moving on, what do we have? Ooh! Is this a Beauty Bay? Yes, it is a Beauty Bay, and I have a little squished box. So this is blemish treatment, salicylic acid plus prebiotic, tackling breakouts and distressed skin. Okay, this looks nice. It's cruelty-free and vegan and targeted ingredients. Yeah, I think it's a little blemish treatment. I'm not sure if I need this because, hallelujah, touch wood, my skin is doing very alright at the moment. Okay, let's see. The next thing we have... Okay, so we have a little Disney color, which is a shadow stick. Okay, I was gonna say we have finally something now from Beauty Bay, but it seems like it's Beauty Bay because it has the little bit here. Okay, the next thing I'm just gonna... is again a brush, like, it's one of those that... Okay, I'm not gonna need any brushes anytime soon, but...
I'm quite disappointed when I get a lot of the same product.
And these brushes just feel like a little bulk, so they add lots of products, and it looks like you have actually tons of products, but it's just brushes. So it's a little fluffy, nice brush. I don't really need this. I will try to use it in my today's makeup, but okay, the next thing is maybe the most exciting bit of this mystery box, which is the Rose Quartz facial roller. Oh wait, I thought it's an eyeshadow palette, but it's a rose quartz roller. I mean, the next thing that I see, oh, this looks very, what is this? It's dual pressed pigment palettes. Okay, so we have actually an eyeshadow palette and I am excited for this one. This one looks like this Io Coral Duo Nebula Secret, and on this side a Coral. Can't say these words, I'm so sorry. This is a little bit squished, but I hope it's okay. It's not too damaged. Let's see, what do we have? Okay, I like it.
Oh, there's actually 2 eyeshadow palettes.
I like it. You know, that's good. This makes up for the previous stuff that made me quite disappointed. So we have here this one, which is Ao Coral My Freaky Diary eyeshadow palette, which looks pretty good, like, not gonna lie. And let's open and see this little eyeshadow. Oh my goodness. Look at these colors. Oh, this is so pretty. And I'm so happy because I don't have any proper greens in my eyeshadow collection. Like, look at this. And I've heard so many good things about Beauty Bay eyeshadow palettes. Like, they are some of the best on the market. So I am so looking forward to use this guy. Or maybe the other one. Let's see. Okay, so this one, I guess it's a pinky one. What do you think, huh? Let me know. Quick. Is it a pink one? Okay, okay. Oh my god, this is really pretty. Yeah, I was right. It's quite pinky and blue and a bit of like purple. Look at this. Now this is proper gorgeous. This is what we're talking about. Like, I think they save it the best for the last. Okay, I guess I saw again one of those shapes, and I guess it's again a brush. Let's see. Is he a brush? Is he a brush? Yes, it's a highlighter brush. Okay, I didn't know that I needed so many brushes, but I will be definitely not buying any brushes anytime soon. And it looks like this. Very nice packaging, but then again, I'm not impressed by brushes. And as I said, I think they're just a bulk product. I think I have 1 or 2 more things. Next thing that I have is a little bit squished again, and it is a crayon eyeliner. Okay, I quite like the holographic packaging. It looks quite nice. Okay, let's open and see what do we... Okay, if it actually wants to come out. Don't be stubborn, come on, I want to see you. Ooh, again, is one of those nice slick designs. I cannot wait to open to see what it's like, but that's when we're gonna do our makeup. And the last thing that I see in this mystery, is she mysterious? Is this matte lipstick. Okay, now look at this, pretty packaging again. Very beauty beige, if I might say so, and this is in the shade Sauce. Oh my god. I think this is the shade. It's quite bright pink and it has a little B logo here. We shall see. Maybe this one goes with that lip gloss. So for £35, I got 13 beauty products, which are actually quite a lot, and I'm quite impressed. So I got 4 brushes, 2 skincare products, and 7 makeup products. I thought I'll try first one a little bit of blush on my cheeks, just with these nice eyeshadows. What do you think? Is this a bad idea or not? We'll do it anyway. I don't care. Well, let's see if it adds a bit of color. Oh yeah, certainly adds a bit of color, and it doesn't make me look so washed out. It works very well as a blush. So I'm gonna start up with this very intense dark blue, and I'm so scared. Ooh, because they're very, very pigmented. Oh yeah, I didn't say the shade is called Celeste. Now I'm gonna take this absolutely incredible shade called Philly, or Philly, I don't know, which is super, super shimmery. And I'm gonna add it all over my eyelids with my finger.
I just can't believe how bloody pigmented this is.
Oh my goodness. This looks like a liquid eyeshadow. Look at this. I am speechless. Next up, I'm gonna attempt to do my first ever colorful eyelines. Please don't judge too harshly. This is a very nice purpley, like lilac color. I hope it's gonna go well with this blue eyeshadow. we shall see. Now this shade is very pastel-y and you can barely see it. I'm gonna use this super gorgeous baby blue to fill those lines, sort of like purpley, and just add a little bit of line as well under my eyes to make the blue look pop completely. This is my first ever attempt of creating a blue look, and I don't think I did a bad job. Like, I feel with these colors it's a little bit difficult to work. Now I'm gonna move on to the lips because that's the only product that I have left, which is quite sad. Let's crack this open. Oh my goodness, very tight. Okay. Oh, smells nice. I hope this color is not too intense on the lips, because I feel like they should have put some lipsticks or lip glosses that would go with the eyeshadow, just like they did with the eyeliners, right? Okay. Oh, that's very... Okay. Is this a lip gloss or like a lip tint? Because it doesn't look very... Doesn't look very hinted. Oh, good. Yeah, definitely, you barely can see it, but I like it because it's a type of subtle pink which works so well with this look. Okay guys, so this is my finished look using only products from the mystery box by Beauty Bay. What do I think about it? I think it's definitely worth the price. I'm so in love the most with these palettes because I will be using them. They're so freaking pigmented and creamy and beautiful. Like, they don't need more ads, like, ever, because we know they're good. As for everything else, I think it's alright. Overall, for the price, I think we've got a bunch of nice products which are definitely worth the price. And I quite like my today's look, how it turned out. I went a little bit wild, not something I would go for, and I'm happy with this. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, do subscribe down below, and see you next time. Mwah. Bye!